Ready to sail the turquoise waters of Croatia? Let's set sail. No experience needed, just a passion for the sea. Join our RYA Competent Crew Course and learn the basics of sailing in just 5 days. On board, you'll learn everything from steering the yacht to tying knots, all under the guidance of our friendly instructors. It's hands-on, fun and absolutely beginner-friendly. Live on board during training and enjoy visiting new islands. Or opt for family or group private training. From just €845 per person, you get RYA certification, 5 days of unforgettable sailing, and a lifetime of memories. It's more than a course, it's an adventure. Have you already completed your Competent Crew course? Why not consider moving on to your RYA Day Skipper course? So, what are you waiting for? Join us in Croatia and start your sailing journey today. Book now at yachtsailtraining.com. Ready to set sail? Why not dive in and book up before it's all sold out? Start your sailing adventure with Yacht Sail Training today.